Hi everyone, in this video, we will talk about DCT Advantage Executive World Elite MasterCard Review. So, some of its key features and benefits are: first, Admirals Club membership. For the 850, it is $850. Access to American airline launches worldwide. Second, 10,000 loyalty points bonus. It can be earned after spending $40,000 in a qualifying year. Next is Priority Boarding and TSA PreCheck Global Entry Credit for travel faster and easier. Next, free first check bag for you and up to 8 companions in the same reservation. Next is 4x A Advantage miles on AA purchase. Earn more miles when booking with American Airlines. Next is no foreign transaction fees. Great for international travel. Now, who should get this card? It is best for frequent American Airlines flyers who want launch access and travel perks. For business travelers who use Admirals Club Lunch often. And for loyalty members who want to earn A Advantage miles faster. Though it is not ideal for casual travelers who don't fly American Airlines frequently, and for people looking for a general travel card with flexible points. So, is it worth it? Get it if you fly American Airlines often and use Admiral Club Lunch. Skip it if you want a flexible travel rewards or don't fly AA frequently. And that's basically it.